Do you know how to describe a number pattern by using words? Let's take a look at an example. Here's a number pattern described in a table. Now we're going to look at the relationship between the x and the y values to see what happened to x to get y. From -1 to 2, you can see that 3 was added. From 0 to 3, 3 was added. From 1 to 4, 3 was added. From 2 to 5, 3 was added. And from 3 to 6, 3 was added. So if we wanted to write this pattern in words, we could say that x plus 3 equals y. Or we could say that the y value is 3 more than the x value. Let's write that down. This is a way that we can describe this pattern by using words. Let's look at another example. Now let's look at the relationship between the x and y values. From 1 to 3, we could say we added 2, or we multiplied by 3. Looking at just one pair, one x value and one y value, doesn't tell us what the pattern is, so we have to look at more than one. Look at the next one. From 2 to 6, we multiplied by 3. Now look at the next one. From 3 to 9, we multiplied by 3. From 4 to 12, we multiplied by 3. And that also works in the first pair. From 1 to 3, we multiplied by 3. So we can say that the y value is 3 times the x value. Now this pattern has been described by using words. Let's look at another one. We can also find patterns in word problems and use words to describe the patterns that we find. Let's take a look at a problem. Monica has chores that she does weekly. Every week that she does her chores, Monica earns $8. Can you show how much money she will have earned in 6 weeks? That's our question. How much in 6 weeks? Let's use a table. We can say that x is the number of weeks and y is the amount of money that Monica makes. If she does her chores in week 1, she gets $8. If she does her chores in week 2, she will have $8 more, so she'll have $16. If she does her chores in week 3, she'll have $8 more, so she'll have $24. If she does her chores in week 4, she'll have $8 more, and she'll have $32. In week 5, she would have $40, and in week 6, she would have $48. We can say that every week that Monica does her chores, she earns $8 more than the week before. And a way to write the pattern as far as the values go is to write that the y value is 3 times the x value. Because the x value is the week, if we multiply 8 times the week that Monica is working in, we will get the correct amount of income. This is how we can describe this pattern. Looking at number patterns in a table or in a word problem, we can take the pattern and write it in words. The words describe the pattern of numbers that we see.